Greetings, and welcome to another episode of the Up and Life Show. I'm your girl, Dilka Brownras, Dragon All Star on the Wheels of Steel, Breads, DJ Rick, Fire Q, Mad One. Big up on yourself. This is what we do every Tuesday between the hours of 9 and 11. We are sponsored by the Granaries that is located in 6 Overton's Yard in Croydon. And that's where you can go for your weekly events. Make sure that you check out their Instagram page as well as our Instagram page for all the weekly updates. Yeah? We don't want to miss none of the events them because they're always a good one. Yes? Walk on for the man them. How are you?
There. Weekend was festive, you don't know? Enjoyment and all that.
What did you do? Tell us what you did.
You know, I always forget to wake up on a weekend.
Bro, the weekend was like less than 2 days ago.
I know, right? Literally forget. Where we go Friday?
Where were we? Now, let's start on Thursday. We went over to Bugs's Round Robin.
Oh, that's what I forget about Friday.
Rowan Kim.
Uptown, right?
Me can't say Robin.
We'll go over Rowan Kim.
I don't like Kim. I don't like woman, sorry. So
That's
I went to Bugs's Round Robin. Bugsy big up himself. Go on with a bag of vibes and enjoy yourself. And we stopped at 701 a little bit. For Dash Out Thursdays, which happens each and every Thursday at 701 Club on Old Kent Road. Yeah? And then Friday, Granaries?
Yeah.
Somebody's laptop needs to be muted.
I don't know how I was it.
That will be yours. Moving right along. How was Granaries on Friday?
It was good. I was sleep Friday.
Do you have
Oh,
a
yes,
meal?
that's it. Yeah, Granaries, the Granaries.
Bro. Brother.
Yo, every weekend it's a myth.
Yeah, and big up Shante for spanning party, you know. A red black thing.
Yeah. All eyes on me. I mean, on all eyes on he.
Look like they all boot point over this, so you know.
Till the point where people never get for forward.
One night time, I had a plan for your journey, you know, because I had a plan to, you know, one not journey, but you know, the man bring it in. Close in nice city.
Yes.
Almost
nice.
on the river.
Shout out to Shanti for him. And he made sure to put it out there. It was not his birthday. It was just his yearly event.
Yeah, but...
And it was a roadblock event.
Obviously, I never get for going because I don't know the place full up away and I get there late. So,
yeah.
I don't know one of them things about big up Shanti for the party.
It was well supported. It was well supported. And a lot of people was there. We give thanks for that. Don't?
Because I see the clippings. One night time, I see bird upon like about 7:30 in the morning. I'm like, good God, man. John going on a bed.
Good God. Good God, man.
No, in our real life, you know what we need to adjust that thing here. People who go up on live,
5:30.
them hours there, we don't need to stop it.
Why? Why do they? No, honestly, why do they need to
It's
stop
just like a morning show with a radio station early. So
4 o'clock in the morning.
That is their set times.
What kind of time? Who up and watch live them time?
There are
You
people
clearly,
who have...
clearly you.
That's a good point.
Me no watch it. Me see notification, brother.
So either way,
them thing that piss me off.
either way, you was up at that time.
No. Me the up and make money. You see, I don't go a lot of places. You see, if I go off somewhere, either I plan to make some money there or I make some money there.
Okay.
I saw me chop it from money. You see me?
Choppy line.
So yeah. But the people them with the whole of live, where
They just can't sleep and then...
nah, so enough to go live, you know, but some of the time, don't do a live because you want a reason with a brethren.
Why not?
Why not?
Don't try fix
They're
people
having
themselves.
an open
No,
conversation.
Don't fix them.
You have phone for do that something there.
No, but that's
the phone they use.
That's their phone that they're using, and that's the
their
method.
form of communication.
Remember in a live of a chat people business.
But what good?
necessarily.
Them say what good for the God. What not good? What's that terminology? What's not for you? Just stay out of business.
As the classic said, the man is international, different country time
Different
zone.
countries,
At
different
4
time
it's
zones.
11 in Jamaica and
Are
12
you sure?
in America. 5
4,
hours.
3, 2, 1, 12. Yeah, alright, then cool.
Boy, I saw you go.
Probably can't read that right, but
Yeah, me could talk about it at the party them now, because you know I will have a party go on
What
Saturday.
happened on Saturday?
Big up Ropes party, I don't know. Yeah, Ropes a party go on, you know that one they go on.
Yeah, that was well
Down a Palm
supported
Beach as well, you don't know.
Big up
Party
to
one,
Flex.
big up Flex Align, same way. Party go on still, you see me? Be a girl and be a things around, you know. Even though come like a Shane song.
What?
Lights out.
I said it
Yeah,
now.
but party go on.
Cool, no
Yeah.
man. And
It's a vibes go on
Sunday
with
was
it.
a regular event.
Vibes.
Regular,
vibes,
man, you know,
Sundays.
feel our vibes, so big up everybody will go around there, feel our vibes, you see me?
We forgot the one day, you know.
Because I don't know how I go on to England, you know, because one night time, you know, the man them could have, you know, all the people when on the papers and them something there. You could have go dance and find one little girl and marry and get papers.
Man, them no want that again.
And then man them, the woman them wise up.
Papers.
The woman them and the papers.
Look like a girl them not the papers.
Wrong color. No.
Wait. A people isn't that dog? Don't do it.
Me not talking about
Yeah,
this.
immigration.
I'm just asking.
Yeah, but you know people, me have somebody for link on the Zion phone shortly after this. I don't know a thing go.
Yes.
So yeah.
Well, so what's the topic that we're gonna be having in regards to
No,
that?
we want to talk about the state of dancehall. I don't know the thing because them say dancehall in a state. You see
Over
me?
in you, and you're speaking specifically.
Did you
about
see my
the
post
UK.
today?
What? Yeah. So okay. So speaking about the state of dancehall, Breadsy made a post earlier today. Let me just forward to the post, or you want to talk about it?
No, you can find it too. I like your own voice.
Excuse, I'm not gonna play it.
Oh.
This man. So just talk to us about the post that you made earlier.
No,
today.
it's the fact that like everybody in every different sector complain is like it's all complain, no action. No verbs, you see me?
So basically, the caption that Bread made with the video was all we need for fix up and do better, including myself. No one is exempted from this conversation in 2023. Let us do better, and the reward will be greater. Just my take and opinion. And you are making that statement in regards to what exactly?
Everything, like, I just dragon say what the live then. If we go play every live, it start off a one way, ending the same way. You see me? Everybody are complaining and attack and argue. What? Bro, no one's really doing nothing, man. As I say in that video, only some of the promoter them and 99% of the DJ them are winning out of this. And there's more than one entity. It's like if you have alright, for instance, say you're artist, yeah? And you complain, say, UK not play a song, but they're branding themselves if you're not a UK artist. So why the man should play a song if you're not on the base in the UK, they don't make a UK person play a song because you can't call him on a yard and tell him the same thing.
So let me ask you this, really and truly, do you believe in like the brand UK in terms of the entertainment scene, what the artists them doing and the party them or something? Do you believe in it?
Of course I do, bro. Me not have to believe in that, bro. Come remember, they say we are do it.
That's a part of your brother.
Because what it is here, money can make anyone in the world when it comes to entertainment. Like literally, for the fact that showing say, I want to work at your bar, all 2 bills you charge you for 4 hours or 5. Obviously, the lifting and that, but when I look at scale, if you're making that for that short time there.
But that's just hustling. Me talk about
No. Listen, bro.
Money can make
No.
Wait,
Listen, bro.
one at a
Just
time.
like anything, you have to start from the first part.
Right.
The smallest person, them make it grow. Just like a Jamaican Igla, them. They miss most of the dance we used to keep back in the day.
Right.
There's not much prominent dance to keep no more. Dance to keep a yard, yes, but now keep as fluent as before. Back to the UK now, same concept. From the smallest person in the business, I make something in a smaller time. Because if a man go out and you give him £50 for collect ticket at your door for 2-3 hours, it still I make more than on a regular salary base. That's like a 6-hour work for somebody.
But that's why I say you guys are looking at as a hustle.
No. I'm looking at, listen to me finish.
Hold on.
We're looking at it as a business, bro. This is the problem.
It's not a monologue, you know. It's our conversation
All
where
right,
you
go on,
talk
go on.
and let somebody else talk.
Go on.
You're looking at it as a hustle, right?
No, wrong word there. That's why I stop you. No, make it a business.
Because, why I say that? Because you are just looking at it as a stopgap more than you pay.
No.
Because you guys, all right, as a promoter, you should not do something and make the same rookie mistake where everybody make over the years. Me wrong or I'm right? Because you're supposed to learn off of somebody else's mistake. Because if you're not learning off of somebody else's mistake, that means that there's no growth in the business, right?
That's true. I agree with that.
Me wrong or I'm right?
I agree with that.
Because you can't come with the same £50 of this and £50 of that because, all right, watch you now. You see how much little party I go and watch you. Brick Jam, Ghana, Jamaica. See?
Jamaica, but...
Well, I know. But you know, a name brand party from UK, the pan Brick Jam. Why is that?
Name brand.
Why you couldn't have one bus driver link up, one leg at that down a Brick Jam?
All right.
One leg at Magnum
Right.
Friday down there or
Right,
something
Jagger,
I
like
think
that.
we have
Jagger,
can I respond to that? In
Yeah.
regards to that specific example that you're using, I think we have to think baby steps. I know bus driver link up. Hold on, hear me out before you respond. I think bus driver link up has been happening for a number of years, and they've branched out into doing an outdoor event last year. Was it last year? Last year. I mean, that was the first aspect of an outside event.
Yeah.
And in terms of bringing it to different countries, obviously there's a lot of logistics, a lot of things around that might, factors that might prevent them from doing it right now.
Bus driver, I forgot it.
Pardon?
But they were Jamaican, I got stop work for the
But
party.
what me asking
But
now,
no,
everybody-
hold on. Can I just finish my point, please? So I guess in regards to that, we don't know if that is the avenue that they're going to take it to Jamaica. So you asking why is it that it's not there?
You know them
No,
plans.
Like,
it's just
we don't know their plans.
It's not their plans. I'm saying it's just an example. We don't have a name brand party in the UK where could carry outside the UK where people know about it, because obviously, as I say, most of the promoters, them, and I say all of them, most of them look at the dance or the party scene as a hustle. So everybody has said, oh, no venue no there. Remember, there's allocated space in the UK to keep party, but because the promoter them don't want to pay the money, them rather care people now want warehouse or want like a back place where nobody not safe. 100 man come in with 100 strap. Anything can go on because of fuckery place when they can't win up. One toilet for 800 people. Them sitting at work like, how do you build a brand of a party if you don't decide, say, yo, me spend a bit more. You don't come like you make an investment in yourself. It's just like how a man can go out a road and buy a Farragamo shoes or something. See you need to invest in your party because you're growing a brand.
All right, Jagan, I'm going to say that when we feature me that say, when I say the lowest person that they scene get £50, man, I say, get it no. I'm showing you a look example. Yeah, it's not a hustle because there's people who go up on the weekend, literally, go work. Like the security guard, them, that's a job for them. That's extra money in them pocket where them can buy gas or whatever, yeah? DJ make money if them have 4 booking for the night, what they make and they do them problem. The point me actually make is this, you can't have 2 parts of the 4 column I call, I excel. If a hustler or not, and the next 2 now pick up for them part. It's a lopsided, bro. So when I say this, when for the artists, they will keep on and say them on a UK artist, do not complain when none of your songs don't play in the UK. No, it is true. If you're...
Change the topic.
No, let me... my video's all about that, bro.
Not because you're a
let me finish, bro. Make you finish
the
that.
video that he posted.
Yeah?
So
we're post it because there's enough different aspect. Enough of them don't want to do it takes as well. Because everybody want to be artists, everybody want to lyricists.
But nobody wants to put in the marketing and the promotion.
Everybody want to be lyricists. And when a man say, yo, clash a person, you're going to say either you're probably a follower higher than fame, you better pay a level, but none of you no level because you're not making money. Like, me like money from the music, yeah? The next thing is, when you say about venues,
Yeah.
the people them to a party, them to be blamed. Now watch this. You have a venue, you pay much money for it, you charge £30, yes, you charge too much.
But you guys want to try 30
No, but listen, we not talk about that.
You pay 30
listen what I just said, bro. Listen what I just said.
Yeah.
A legit venue, I say legit venue.
But I'm paying
No,
30 going to a
you
warehouse
see,
already.
you see, I'm not even saying no. I said a legit venue, legal, everything. Licensed venue. For instance, Palm Beach then, yeah?
Right.
Ivy Grand is there. Everybody have a problem with venues who have certain rules. And then them complain. The promoter them now, I do them job, I try them best. Them find a venue say 10 grand. Them say, cool, 10 grand for the venue. We pay a 5 grand deposit, plus we pay the 5 grand for the night.
Right.
Or you're going to make the 5 grand for it. You have to charge a certain price to get your money and pay for the venue, though. And then try to make a money on top.
Or you can find other ways to make the money. I'm just saying.
No, but that's within the promotion market. You have to find out if you get the money regardless of how you make it.
Right.
You have to the first thing you do, a man said, Dragon said 10 grand from a venue.
Right.
Slap 5 grand game. You automatically 5 grand in a minus.
Yes.
So you have to try to get back that 5 grand there. Yeah? You can't just say get back the 5 grand alone at say 10 pounds, I take it 500 people. But then after the 5 grand, I try to say I go buy if you buy drinks, I pay for people right here.
What about you as promoters? Hear my question. What about you as promoters finding other avenues of raising money to pay your expenses and stop depending on the ticket fees to pay the rest of your expenses?
No, but you're not all right.
I'm just it's a simple question because I've seen other promoters do events where they don't depend on their ticket money, the money that they bring in from the weight from the ticket or from Eventbrite, to pay the balance of their venue fee or to pay a DJ or to pay for drinks.
No, you missed something just say.
I never missed it.
I don't want the promoter.
I heard you.
No. All right, let me say it again.
Wait.
The promoter
Eh.
pay him deposit. As I say, we start with a 10 grand mark, yeah?
Right.
And say if some venue 7 grand.
And this 10 grand, hold on, for clarity, make people follow the conversation. And this 10 grand is the fee for the venue only.
Yeah, in PM deposit, yeah.
Yes.
No one gonna pay full price on anything can play upon the dice.
Right.
The person might get a week in advance to pay it off. If you link whatever time, yeah. You start sell ticket, bro, yeah. Not kind of bro. You start sell ticket, yeah.
I'm
You ticket a claw back some of the money you spend already. Say if you sell 300 tickets for a certain price, yeah. I'll leave at the fire for the night. You claw back some of your money. So you know say upon the night you're looking to make a profit. Nobody now pay £10,000 for charge everything on the lowest side of the scale. And when it's done, you're going to say, yo, your party shot. DJ say, yo, party shot. Everybody get paid, go home.
No.
When I finish, bro, I really be loser. Every week I talk that something, yeah? And I try to correct you now. Because I with them in the ear, but I never get to talk. When I keep on and say promoter charge ticket price high, yeah? DJ raise them price. Drinks man raise them price. Venue raise them price. Security raise them price.
Inflation.
Everybody,
Wait,
let me finish.
wait,
Every single body will employ.
Yes.
Last year, this year, tell us, yo, my price gone up, yeah? So why now a promoter with a charge £10 last year can't charge £10 this year? Extra. The point is, Dragon, no businessman now do nothing in a business for just make them money back and change on top. You can't survive like that.
May I say if I done? You don't chat?
No, I'm not done.
Yeah, stop now. All right. More anybody on the life, any DJ, any of my DJ colleague them over here because me hear say the DJ price gone up. Because I don't know what bum buckle I look like I go Blackwood and protest.
You're not gonna
because the DJ price in London,
I think it's been the same.
when you call them, it been the same since
From-
blood clot
yeah, from
2010
long
till
time.
now.
From long time.
Are we
They
DJ
move
alone?
about £50 upwards.
No.
Oi.
Every year DJ raising price.
Hold
Right.
on,
Let
one second.
me make you talk. Me didn't interrupt you. I have little manners. See it? All right. DJ price in London. If a man as big as Andrew Fresh is, if Andrew Fresh tell you 4 bills and him now bring the sound, you now pay that. I lie me I tell?
Me ask that.
Yes or no?
Me ask you as a promoter. I lie me I
Yes or
tell?
no?
Why am I not paid?
Guy, you
Yes
say a
or
bum
no?
buckle in London. You now
No,
go and pay.
no. Listen.
No.
Yes
it's
or
not
no?
yes or
No.
No,
Me that
wait.
paid.
I don't want that man.
Dragon
Me that
and
paid.
bread.
No.
Dragon and
Yes
bread.
or
All
no?
right. Me that paid. Yes.
Guys.
Me that paid. Yes.
Guys.
Let me finish. All right, you that
Guys.
paid. See? Most of the promoter, they must say, no, them have 5 DJ on the bill. And them are doing much. Because regularly you come here and do it and say, yo, you want know? No, if me pay every DJ £300 and this, me not going to make the money when it come out. Come here, this is a conversation, whole heap of time, birds. Most of the promoter, no one give the DJ them 2 bills and 250. And this a money I run
Sometimes
from
at one chop.
2013 to Bumbo Clat and then I move one margin. Magnum raise, rum raise. If you go in, the entrance fee, if you go in a party raise, a table them raise, and here one now, I see them shabby party them. When I bring people, guys see them venue. People are saying a venue not there. Here one now, you see if BBC want to keep a dancehall party, then go through the right avenue and get any venue. And a
BBC
dancehall
budget
party.
different.
Well, dog, let me talk.
Why
now.
is it, but why is
Let
it
me
different
talk.
if they're
Let me talk.
hosting a similar event?
Let me talk. Because
Different budget.
Uno, I look on dancehall as a hustle. You see, when Uno to keep a dancehall party, you want to start now. When you start mitigate, when you last already and say, more on this money, if me get tickets, if police come and lock off the party, want to pay transfer, then get back the money? No, they don't.
Yeah,
Most on the pocket the money, see? So stop mitigate your loss. You see, when you're doing a business, remember it's a gamble. Because you want to know, if your party bum buckle and lock off, and a DJ stick out and say, more money,
Have
because
to
in the
find
come,
a game.
Why? Tomorrow, hold on the pan live and say, no, I'm not pay him, because I'm not play. But you have to look on the fucker and say, yo, him, black out there, date upon him calendar and give you. So whether I'm not, him don't play, yes or no, he needs to get paid. And I always tell promoter, don't depend on your party for shot for pay me. Because if you don't have the money, don't bother book me.
All right, watch this now, yeah. You say about if the dance not keep a lack of family play. Just like when a promoter say the dance cancel 4 weeks in the advance and PM deposit to certain people. First thing I'm gonna say, deposit not refundable though.
But that is
No, yes or no?
Yes, that's
all right,
how
watch this now.
businesses
So
are run.
if a promoter keep a dance and it lack off, say 1 o'clock, and nobody not play, and the man say nobody not play, so nobody not work, you keep the deposit, you not give him back, so you still get something though.
Certain man have to get his money though.
No.
The man will come put on in 360 machine and forget his money. All if nobody know go panic.
Certain people have different relations with certain people, yeah? That's the fact. Some man that say, you know what, You're good, Jagger, man. Big up yourself. Some man, I got all of the money. You have
Look
to
on
pay.
the palm business. So that
No. This is
Hold
any
on,
business.
sir. Hold
You have
on.
some business people with other business people. Them give and take. Them know when time them say, no, what? Me all like Elia for your future win from you, vice versa. Bro, me never really literally tell a man say me not pay the marks. If a man asks for marks, me personally, I say he can do for me.
Yeah.
If him say him can't take off a pound, he can take off 50p, I say cool. Remember, you know, if me go book 4 DJ and show to 4, I say yo, they want a certain price. And you realize your budget was that price. You just put the trade man done. 'Cause if you can pay the same £1,000, why you gonna have? Me not understand. Some promoters do this.
Yeah.
They book billion DJ, and I expect them to get the same price. But why you just cut the DJ them, give them price, they the same budget and done though. So if I say Andrew say want 4 bills, say ask them want 3 bills. Me your friend say, Brett, me your friend give me 250, yeah. That's about 950 though. If my budget was £1,000, yeah, I'm gonna say yo, me have 2 months, me have Ras for play, and so Ras say, now work this year.
You have to pay me.
No.
Oh, you bench me?
No, if you have to pick and choose.
The one time I get a bus bench,
No.
bench me.
Hold on. So the point is
Yeah.
you have to be your own accountant as well, innit? So if you know say any night you got to pay £1,000, you have that. You see me? You know, I mean I say me personally I depend upon the night for done, but when I say as a promoter, as a business, you put out money,
Yeah.
any man invest in anything them do, when them start promote it, they want to get back as much money as possible. So if I $5 for the venue and you claw back $3 out of ticket sale, you know say you're up. You're technically up. You're out $2,000. But you know say you have $3 in your pocket. So if you pay nobody out of $3,000, you can pay them. So technically, you're still not out of your $5,000 margin. When the dance done, if you make the next $5,000 now, so you know say you make $6,000 now.
Me look on it different.
No, me look at them. Me know other person. Some people just...
Me can get him a quick
Hold on,
Wait, hold on. Let him.
Some people keep party and as them say, hope for the best. Them the things say, you know what? I'm put on picture man, that money they saw, that run the corner. And just, if you go wrong, just pay people though. But when you go right, everybody happy and laugh. You see enough promoter when dance done, they must scratch them head and looking at the sky. When they look for the sky, cause what? Them book one bag of DJ for promote them dance to them, cause them an at DJ, but them not promote for themselves.
But Bird back, hold on there now. You're talking about when you go around promoters scratch them head scene and you hold on and drop catch and say, no, go on. What about when the party do go right? Have you paid the DJ them a little bit extra because you say, boy, I come mash my party, him charge me 3 bills, but me give him 4. Do promoter do that? So
But,
why...
and we can only ask Brits for him. We
Yeah,
can't
me ask
Me
Yeah.
personally,
Yeah.
it depends on my feeling.
Me ask you.
No.
Then why should DJ drop them price?
No,
When the
I
party
never once said you them price no. I said DJ raise them price every year. Every year DJ come with something. First they come with no deposit, no booking.
no
Hold
conflict.
on.
Yeah.
Let me ask you now.
No, listen, them say that, yeah.
Yeah,
But
a lot of DJs
nobody
say
now
if
fight them.
you don't pay a deposit, they're not booked.
But at
for
the
your
same
event.
time, yeah, and every promoter, them say it because them know the promoter like myself, other people will pay them.
Right.
When my dance keep, we can call them, ask them, bagger. Actually, every DJ book, yeah.
Right.
Bro, link it tomorrow. Boom.
And that boils down to the relationship.
Yeah,
that you built
because
with them.
me still gonna pay you,
Right.
but as a person keep event, you know say when the dance done, there's enough more local factor you have to play to play. So if a man know say if
You know why them tell her that?
why?
Because your time some you check off bar them.
No, it's not that.
Let me-
because-
let me
no,
finish.
it's not
I
that.
You see,
disagree.
uno know.
No, it's not that
When
because
DJ
some
don't
my
pay him
time.
set, you
Jugger,
have to
no.
give me envelope in her hand.
No,
Hold on.
Don't wait for your man to ask
no,
for your money.
And
no.
hold on.
So my time, the man who have this booking, it come back down to relation in a business, yeah. Because if you know say I have to pay your money,
Right.
I may your friend differently. Me never short you, I never not pay you. You got this booking, you know say by a morning or Monday, whichever day you call me, money in your account. Cause every day you book my account details, isn't it?
Right. And that's why I say my stance on this business aspect, especially when it comes to paying, what would you call them? Clients? We don't call them my client because I'm my
Client.
Yeah.
I look at it quite differently because the aspect of paying a deposit, very important. For me, when I say I'm too old fashioned and I'm too stringent when it comes to certain things, contracts are very important to me. So drafting a contract, even if a text message, something that is on black and white to confirm, that is quite important. Pay the people them the deposit and in relation to having envelope before the event is finished, I believe in that because, again, I don't believe in promoters depending on the money that is at the door for pay people. That's just my opinion.
This is one next thing me see in a
That's
party.
my opinion.
Why me I wait till the party done? Seeing forget my money. If me play one 12 o'clock set. So if I look at money, me I depend on for buy
go.
myself a drink. As me don't play, give me my money.
But that's not the conversation.
No.
It ties. It's a part of it.
Into the
It ties
conversation
in.
because
It
me
ties
don't
in.
work, you know. Remember me fulfill my part at the contract. Me work, me come play, me set, give me my money. Me supposed to wait till the party done. And then promoter tell me say, no man, me check off the bar or me check off the
Alright, Jagan.
or me wait for event bright
Alright.
money. Or we no bother with them.
Alright,
Hey.
alright. Me do an event before and I DJ
Uh-huh.
him say, yo, Brett, NSC and the me give him. The night that the man say, yo,
And did you pay him on? Pay him his full fee?
No, because I
on top
remember
of the
saying, no,
Hennessy?
him a bite, but him, as I say, him a play, I'm saying, now we forget. Him say, you
Right.
run, and him say, yo, just give me a balance afterward.
Okay.
You see me? But the point my try to show you, it's
Yeah.
all about conversation, bro. If
And
you
the
don't say,
relationships
if you don't say that one dance from 2 to 1, and you're going to chill and buy a drink or whatever.
And
just say,
enjoy the rest of
just
the
say, yo,
event.
you must say, yeah, 3 bills to me. Just shout for some drinks and the balance after. Because you're a party, though. Sometimes you're gonna, it's about, see when a promoter, a DJ,
Yeah.
big customer relation with the promoter good. When the next promoter say, yo, you did book Jagan. Give me a conversation about him not good youth man, him not pressure thing, you see me? So my time, you have to know for how fake. And everybody may tell us if it run the risk there with you, bro.
It boils down to the relationship.
Because you have some man who will not pay for all 10 years.
But hold on there. When we're talking about those things, like your craftsmanship or your talent supposed to speak for itself because as you talk about
It's speed because you get
well, I
booked.
know what people say are this are relationship. When you never think about it and say, when the DJ them their party scene, and you book 5-6 DJ, and them ask you for liquor, when you never think say, yo, who as a promoter
Should be
should
a
bring
part of the package.
one back and say I feel DJ them this.
Jagan.
Even
Because-
though,
Yeah.
yeah,
Jagan.
I feel
Yeah,
so.
because only in England, you know, me see this, you know.
Jagan, me ask you a
Every
question,
Hold on,
selector
make him
come,
finish
I
first.
want them play for £50.
Them still have to go
Them
buy
still have to
them
come buy them liquor. So my time, watch you know, let me show you a logistics.
Still
See
done
it?
the conversation.
Hold on now, let me show you a little maths. Most like a DJ when them come a party, if you embrace them code, come a party. You where you spend a party, hold it more than where you make.
Yeah, the hospitality
So,
aspect
so
of
I'm
things.
just showing you a thing and say, cause DJ thing over in a profitable, you know, cause what? £250 equivalent to much in Jamaica. Jamaican money.
What that?
That's
18,
convincing. Yeah, you
38,
must know.
about 40 grand.
Not far, me not think you
Yeah.
about that.
Bro, it's 185 right now.
So 15 and 15, so 30, yeah. About 40 little, see?
46.
It's about the regular price where you have.
250.
No,
250,
250 one is at
£250.
$85.
That's what I'm saying, £250. That's
47,000.
equivalent to the same money an average DJ in Jamaica is playing for.
Right.
So if you're in foreign, where everything, the rest of England, where everything more expensive, see? All the bum buckle at a promoter can want to gear this. I expect you to come and shell bar.
Alright, Jagan, me ask you a
And-
quick.
and
Well, I'm asking you, Jagan. It's still no love talk about what we figure, you know. And when a promoter say, yo, you make £1,000 me not say they do, me just show you example. £1,000 money pull up, you know. Them still pay, me not pay. Them
The
still-
money pull up now, not for do
That
you.
has-
No, let me finish.
I
Let me
promote money.
finish. Let me finish.
Wait.
This is the point me I show you.
Wait.
There's certain aspects of the dance
Yeah.
and the business part that way.
Yeah.
It just knows I saw it go.
Yeah.
Because you can't go a man dance and make £1 million, you say that, yeah?
Yeah.
Which is not up, but say you keep
Yeah.
a dance way.
Okay.
Some man falling from wherever and say,
Right.
Jagan, and you make £1 million, yeah?
Yeah.
Me still pay you 3 weeks at 250, yeah?
You can't drop me no case.
Hold on.
card.
No,
hold on,
me say me
brother,
still,
hold on.
me say me still pay, yeah?
Yes.
Me will never ask a DJ if you give me one time money pull up, yeah?
You can't. You have no obligation to.
Just like a promoter have obligation if the party make bill and dollar to give extra either.
Well, and we never said that.
No, he said it earlier.
No,
I
he
am
asked
saying
a question. Can I respond,
If-
please?
Yeah, go ahead.
He never said you are obligated to. He asked the question if it is a case where your party shot, if your conscience would have
Them not need that too.
make it
No.
give extra money.
Why?
Well,
No.
fine.
Buckler,
But what
dirty
one
Them not
one
need
thing.
that.
Jesus Christ. Bros, you are dirty
So on.
Well,
Me not to promoter, but when time you are make.
Me ask you a question.
But
because
when you in a dance,
if you want money pull up, then
No. Me know why money pull up. That's your thing.
Gentlemen,
Because when you get money pull up here and video go up on it, the money pull up and
Yeah.
but post a bread back dance, then it give me when we keep a next dance.
yeah.
Yo, and then give
So
you.
why you want the man
No,
money pull
I
up?
didn't say I want it. I'm just saying. See, like when I think when I make extra money on the side, when I not say, bread back all the money, man, good, we make $2,000. No, when the promoter make extra money, It's either feel like, say, yo, everybody, see a top up here. You see me?
Well, and then again,
so it's
you're
optional.
But exactly. That's what we're saying. It's
hold
optional.
on. There is enough promoter. When you make money pull up, then one shot your money and say, look how much money pull up, come and dance. Come
which is unfair because...
You know why? You know why?
Because
Mad One, no. You know why? Mad One night dance and buy 2 Magnum, yeah?
Yeah.
And then go give 300 pound money pull up. You see them man? The man could have put all the bills over the bar. So man I say, you know what? You're going to come shot in my bar and I got to go with you.
No, I'm not shot.
No, I don't say that.
Him could have come in here because...
No, I don't say that. That's what people say.
He's not obligated to spend no money because him pay come in. You're going like a game blood clot free ticket.
Most of them man will give money but don't pay it. But anyway.
And if you put a man in there for free and him give me, and you decide for money pull up, give me, that is not your business.
Yeah, but
if you have a problem with that,
but I'm showing you why the man are gonna say.
Because
me personally,
this thing,
can we do one at a time, please?
Some of the promoter them is a go mentality them have.
So I DJ them talk. I wanna get the money.
Can
I wanna get the money that she pound on we.
Can I make a suggestion? Can I make a suggestion going forward, please? Like this is something that I think promoters need to think about in terms of when them invite them DJs, them dancers, them guests, them special guests for them event. Can some sort of hospitality be included that is excluded from the pricing that is supposed to be given to the guests? What do you think about that? So them forwarding, I know things are expensive, but you give them a little package. You don't have to give them no big buckle. You don't have to give them no big radius. But a drink for, make them quench them little thirst.
Yeah, but most DJ need for one. They just want play 45 minutes. Them go missing. Because then one next dance we go. Shut out left here. So in that aspect, enough of them need to stay if you even get a drink. It's facts. Because most of them have a 3 bookings.
What about the one that would do stay?
The ones that do
bro,
stay.
me always tell you, it's a conversation,
a DJ have to stay, everybody can have a party.
I'm not talking about the conversation.
What?
I think you're...
Then if you will like DJ them for party, who will play?
No.
Who gonna play?
Obviously one play for the next one.
That's why I say.
It's a conversation. It's a conversation.
The promoter them money for go on better.
Hold on.
There's no kill the DJ them.
Listen up.
What depend on the money we are paying for buy a drink.
Listen up.
Hold on.
When I understand DJ, when I talk with somebody I talk not neutral
Me
to the
talk as a
conversation.
patron.
No, because when I say is here, when I put every audience on the promoter, I say come back to everything the promoter do. Or we charge this and that. See, like when we charge on the price and expect certain quality, we do the same. When a promoter book a venue where proper, him have to charge a certain price to get back him money and a good profit to keep on next dance. No company walk up and say, me pay £50, I got charge less, just get £50 every month.
I think
that's not growth.
I look at the business
I don't have a problem.
I look at it quite differently.
Excuse me, can we tell you talk about it?
I don't have a problem with the man them get the nice venue and charge 30, 40, £50. I don't mind. I get the nice problem when I step. My shoes are sinking a carpet soft and nice. Nice venue. They know when I take one picture. I can look like they are foreign. I can post on my social media. I don't mind paying 40, £50. But you see when you have a little warehouse and a little down in a whole part of them and when you have £30, brother, when I go to
all right, it's not our fault, though.
No, because you know, if you have your woman, if you have your good woman and you want a good woman come out, see? Your woman at them party and want piss, what you do? Left care your woman go to do go piss.
But it's a joke.
Me I ask you if
no, but it's a joke though.
Brother,
you have some people we forward and all you complain about that problem if you have a problem like dance when you suit them. You see when the dance go good for them, them tell every day a party shot, all they see a drop on them. Certain people will not go to a proper venue. We have certain rules and regulations, yeah? Because first them I say, I don't want to show the ID. I didn't know this. They want to wear this and wear that. Some man want to wear a certain type of tracks so they don't love to wear it. Eh?
Right.
And it's like, when you get a nice venue, you have to go nice. As you ask him, him don't want no trainers in the party. Yeah?
Right.
So is that good for the business or bad?
No, because if you're trying to upgrade the business, as I say, from chaka to something exquisite,
Right.
you have to make sex stands, though.
But yes, bro, that get out the rough.
But when you take stands, yeah, you have people that say, you're going to keep party at Axe or Redback or whoever keep party, who him for charge £30. Hey.
You can't charge me for in one warehouse.
No, I'm not talk warehouse, bro.
I not come.
He did mention, he was very specific about the exquisite venue.
Whenever
Very specific.
you go out there, if you do venue with proper, any producer can tell you, the statement where you have to cut with the venue, them ask some questions if you're in the immigration office, bro. You have to like Bro, that's a book you finish. The fuck you want to ask me? But you have
But you have to
you
understand
have
their
I know,
perspective as well.
just like them, you have to answer certain things. So when you answer and agree to certain things, your price reflect what you agreed with because it limits you upon certain things. So if you have 500 people that come in a Jordan and leggings,
Right.
no, you're going to tell them to wear dress and shoes, that probably come to 200. So because of that, you have to say, you know what? If 200 people come from the side there, you're going to put the price about like an extra 5 or to catch back some of the money where you lose out on. Until them go, and people say, yo, blood, can I know the party? Yeah. That's the problem, because them have clothes to wear, but when they come to the garrison, them don't want to go uptown, as they know, them can't run in Panama door, because the police can't lock up your ass. Because them not, as I said in my video, we don't respect what we are do. Most people do not respect it, bro. So when them get shown and nobody give them a forward, you have the person here complain, the promoter here complain, the DJ here complain, the artist here, the dancer here, the security guy there, the person bringing drinks come and complain, the picture man complain, we have tricks. So everybody come because them say them not, but when you do it a proper way, nobody no want to do it. Everybody talk about, yo dog, it too far for go. Why me go so far for play for that money to go me pay gas? Bro, this is me understand. Do not tell me when I book you have to buy this and buy that. You know why? When you go to work, you do not tell your work say, you have to buy work clothes to go to work. You buy that shit and go work, though. So you can't, me not care about your pretty up. That's your problem. You fucked it in your price, and anything goes, like, that's your problem. Cause remember, you know, when you go up on stage, you're representing you in my event. If you flop, not me. Because if a crowd did it, and a crowd goes so, God go with you, that's you. If you want just shabby, sometimes when you go work, you buy stuff to go work, you realize it costs all so much money, like a week pay, to cover your whole month and carry you buy work clothes and you see where I come from, and your gas and your bus pass and whatever, yeah? You can't tell a workman, say, yo, you know what that I pay for? So that's the problem, bro. Sometimes the patient themselves, though, they want to go chaka place. Look at the money.
You sure say them want to go chaka?
Listen, no.
Or is
Them
it
want
chaka place?
no.
Them
Them no mind go chaka place. All right. You have grannies from a flyer. People ask me where to keep. It's the biggest word from a flyer.
People carry.
No, it's not done. You know what is it?
It's just done spreads.
Them so program now for just say
Postcode out by 11 p.m.
Even on the night of a party, I'm gonna put the postcode across the flyer.
Why?
Because I said you have to do it because
You are spoil them.
no, because it's
People need to read.
People really read flyer themselves, so I'm guilty of that.
Them say who they on the Zion phone. Is that anonymous caller?
Don't worry.
Mr. George Brown, a.k.a.
Don't worry, when immigration.
A.k.a. who?
George Brown.
Oh, okay, Mr. Brown. Go ahead, please.
Yeah, this dance thing now with me, man. Yeah, Red Back has some more dance and thing. This dance thing is not really a dance, you know.
What is
it's
it?
Like, it's a partner. If you not throw your partner, you don't get nobody, don't.
So you support for support then?
Yeah, support for support. And if you don't put a back up on the table, you know, nobody now put a back up on your table. Understand?
So it's a mama man
partner
business.
thing. So you have to go around and pay your partner. Then when your dance come, your draw come. If your dancer next year, yeah, you have to just go and flash till next year till your draw come.
So it's like a round robin then.
Your backlash you have light night too. If your backlash have light night, that means it come like you don't nobody. You understand?
Okay.
You understand? Because if you put any sip and rum on the table, your backlash you have a light on the table too.
But
that's how the thing set up.
I don't know. This sound a bit personal. Like I don't know. Like you're throwing shade after somebody. What's really going on there?
We're not throwing up. We've been in dancehall over the 20 years and see what's going on. We see the hype from the non-hype from the everything,
Yeah.
And the reality dancehall is not like people go and dance again. So they go enjoy themselves. And people are coming here dance. And then you have promoter now. What I'm doing now? You have so much promoter now, like you get in all 30 promoter on the same night.
30 promoter doing what?
Having
party.
Yeah, man, I
On
know.
the same night, want to keep dance. And if you keep that dance for them night, everybody just stop talk. You understand? And what that is?
So what's wrong with keeping a dance on somebody night? Because nobody not want no night.
Nobody want a night. Night of the morning. You understand?
Yeah, so
what's the problem so the question is, what is the problem if 2-3 people are keeping an event on the same night? What's the problem with that?
Well, what I don't like that dance, that if me I keep a dance, see, I used to put up the flyer, see,
Yes.
and you know me, and you said to me, say, all right, let me use a Friday, use a Saturday. People we don't live good that way there anymore.
Yeah.
Everybody wants to say, I bet the good stuff and the bad go through. It's like nobody don't care about nobody, you understand?
So it
When
bought.
me I think say, if we have 2 dance on the Friday and 2 dance on the Saturday, it can't work out because we have enough people can't go anybody dance. When we have 4 dance, what is probably bread back, me have a dance at night there. TP me have a dance at night there. You understand? And then you may have a next man where, we will be known have a night there. Then the Saturday night you have 3 been knowing people have danced. It's hard for one man to have a run from one dance.
Like some of the time, people in a sense say, yo, I don't want my dance on this Saturday because the money might spend off the Friday. Everybody might got a person that dance the Friday and spend off the money. So you don't know when they come here dance 3 Saturday, everybody drink Magnum and Guinness. Nobody not buying a light up buckle again.
Let me tell you something. All of the dance keep Thursday going good. I know some people feel to keep on the Thursday. You understand?
So no people don't want to take no risk.
Yeah, people have money, man. Don't worry about them people, them not no money. They will find it.
Them spend what they want to spend it all.
So
they spend what they want to spend. So you drink what you can't afford then.
So is it bad mind when somebody deliberately keep a dance on the same day that somebody is keeping a dance?
It's not bad mind, but where some people do, them go over.
How you call that then?
The limit.
So what would you?
No.
What would you class?
What you call that?
If it's not bad mind.
I want to say bad mind. It's just them not coordinate to them one another.
No.
If you look for the dance hall, and the whole will make up the dance hall. The whole will make up the dance hall. That's why it's something we have to run from one dance to the other dance. Don't. Because the whole will make up the dance hall. We support still, but the whole will make up the dance hall. And we can't do nothing about it. Because we have so much promoter now. When you're going to go now and dance, let's say 15 promoter and 2 people in there when you go dance. Don't.
15 promoter and 2 people.
Yeah.
How that calculate?
No, basically, I say,
For example.
No, I want to tell you now. From 2015, I got on now. We have more promoter in a dance more than anything else, You understand? And I like you have a promoter, say, yeah, you got to dance, you see people come support you from Luke, the Burnham. We have a lot of promoter now. So the dance them full up a promoter we spend to because them will pay for them dance to come to. Don't understand?
Yeah.
So where you're saying it right now it's more promoter than people in the dance hall.
They don't know what are we right?
No. If you say more promoter in people in that dance, I try to spend more in a certain dance with that beat. Come forward back to the topic where same dance, same night. If you're the person, person at the same circle, as the thing you say, you don't keep a dance the same as somebody where you're my friend, because you make the people a pick where you go or want go 2 places, and everybody can go your dance at the start and go next that. If somebody where you're them in the same circle, them do what they want to do, you do what you want to do.
Mr. Brown, there's a comment that we've received on Instagram that states, everyone has their own crowd, so it shouldn't matter if 2, 3, 4 parties that keep the one.
Nobody not their own crowd. That's a myth.
You're disagreeing with that comment.
That's a myth.
Nobody tell everybody have their
Nope, that's a myth.
I'm just reading the comment, and give us your response in regards to
that. But hold on before you give your response. I see Saturday night guy, I see RUP's party RUM, and I see Flex party RUM.
2 different crowds.
2 different crowd.
That's a young dance, and that's a
grown dance.
A grown people dance.
Dance a mature dance, and Flex dance is a young dance. That's where the young girls. So, and right now the young dance is going on very good.
True.
But they must support the young one. They must support the young one.
That's true.
You understand?
That's true.
And the big people them sometimes now support the people them now. The promoter from a long time. They rather go somewhere so support. Cause listen, think of it, me buy a 6 champagne for the night. I mean, me buy a bag 6 buckle. More time, I don't drink a 6 buckle. I run down. I want next dance to support that next one because I have to support him. Time support me.
And you can't carry them back to go to the next dance.
So if I this and run down next dance to buy a 4
So basically, that's what the wild money you make then one.
Well, if you have to go with it.
Yeah.
So with the night when your night come back, when your draw come back, yeah, look for it, don't.
But sometimes you spend more out than we receive because enough people dance with some man.
No.
All right, you have some man. You wanna you have some man got dance. Well, deliberately make the promoter see them a shell. Not shell, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
A support heavily. And when them reach your party, our Lucas they see the man a hold on pants up.
Different vibes.
And them cut the dragon party and full up him table. So a preference.
Is anything wrong with that? Is something wrong with like a promoter coming to an event and not spending? Is there's a problem with that?
No, you can't tell him if he's spending now.
Yeah.
But
You cannot tell him if he's spending.
be justified by it.
Him just come show him face.
And
When
cut.
you show him face and cut, you can't tell him if
No, but you know why too?
But not everybody
You see
still like
when
you, Mr. Girl.
no. You see when a promoter do that, even more than one promoter dance. You see the people. Tell that word. And about you support me, And what you are sure the fans them what you are do. You see if me got your dance and the fans say me do a number your dance, and Dragon got your dance do a number, my dancer after, Dragon after, and you forward with them reasoning there. People themselves are watching that. And the things say we You see them say do them something there. The regular spender I say, you know what? You're pussy. Because the man they forward and give her support. And you not it.
But if you're not thin skinned, that naga phase you.
And about thin skin.
It is.
It's when you dance farther on for the next year.
Yeah.
You see, after them people when they gonna do it,
Yeah.
they might come to the city and you gotta complain and bad because
But
people watch you more than promoters. Because when they keep a dance,